What is a common component in both the salt and water mixture and the sand and water mixture mentioned? A. Sand. B. Salt. C. Water. D. Sugar. The correct answer is C. Water. In hydroponic systems, what materials are typically used for containers? A. Glass, metal, and plastic. B. Plastic, wood, and ceramic. C. Soil, rock, and fabric. D. Clay, concrete, and rubber. The correct answer is A. Glass, metal, and plastic. In which part of the sky can Venus be seen? A. Only the southern sky. B. Directly overhead. C. Eastern or western sky. D. Only the northern sky. The correct answer is C. Eastern or western sky. What is one common use for silver and gold, besides decorative purposes? A. For photography. B. Used in barometers. C. Making coins and statues. D. Making electrical wires. The correct answer is A. For photography. What is the final step after setting up both test tubes with iron nails and other substances? A. Add more nails. B. Shake the tubes vigorously. C. Observe the changes. D. Boil the contents. The correct answer is C. Observe the changes. Which of these is a characteristic of natural fibers? A. They are produced from petroleum. B. They are always synthetic. C. They are man-made. D. They can be found in animals like crabs. The correct answer is D. They can be found in animals like crabs. In which direction does a change in momentum occur? A. Perpendicular to the direction of force. B. Independent of the direction of force. C. In the direction of the force. D. Opposite to the direction of force. The correct answer is C. In the direction of the force. What term is used when gauge pressure is zero and referenced against atmospheric pressure? A. Hydrostatic pressure. B. Partial vacuum. C. Absolute vacuum. D. Atmospheric pressure. The correct answer is D. Atmospheric pressure. What are the products of the decomposition of phosphorus pentachloride? A. PCl3 and Cl2. B. PCl5 and Cl2. C. PCl5 and PCl3. D. PCl3 and O2. The correct answer is A. PCl3 and Cl2. What is the chemical formula for calcium carbonate, a common antacid? A. MgCO3. B. CaCO3. C. Mg(O)2. D. NiHCO3. The correct answer is B. CaCO3. Which property of light is described as light falling on a polished surface and being sent back? A. Diffraction. B. Reflection. C. Refraction. D. Dispersion. The correct answer is B. Reflection. In the experiment, why did the mouse die when placed in the glass jar with the put-off candle? A. It was too dark. B. There was no oxygen. C. It was frightened. D. It was poisoned by the candle fumes. The correct answer is B. There was no oxygen. What do single-celled organisms like amoeba carry out? A. Only nutrient absorption. B. Only movement. C. Entire functions. D. Only reproduction. The correct answer is C. Entire functions. What does the image likely depict based on the labels skull, spinal column, and ribs? A. A skeletal system diagram. B. A nervous system diagram. C. A circulatory system diagram. D. A muscular system diagram. The correct answer is A. A skeletal system diagram. Which type of bond involves the sharing of a pair of electrons? A. Ionic bond. B. Metallic bond. C. Hydrogen bond. D. Covalent bond. The correct answer is D. Covalent bond. What substances does paracetamol suppress the release of? A. Histamines. B. Prostaglandins. C. Serotonin. D. Endorphins. The correct answer is B. Prostaglandins. What is the primary role of the pancreatic juice secreted by the exocrine pancreas? A. Producing red blood cells. B. Regulating blood pressure. C. Storing vitamins. D. Aiding in digestion. The correct answer is D. Aiding in digestion. Besides mouth dryness, what is another adverse effect associated with antihistaminic medications? A. Heightened senses. B. Sleepiness. C. Reduced thirst. D. Increased appetite. The correct answer is B. Sleepiness. Which of the following health issues is not mentioned as a problem for workers in the traditional silk industry? A. Arthritis. B. Diabetes. C. Asthma. D. Back pain. The correct answer is B. Diabetes. What describes particles that are arranged in a fixed regular pattern? A. They are arranged in a fixed regular pattern. B. They are far apart. C. They can move freely over long distances. D. They are able to slide past one another. The correct answer is A. They are arranged in a fixed regular pattern. Which metal is mentioned as an exception to being malleable? A. Potassium. B. Aluminum. C. Sodium. D. Mercury. The correct answer is D. Mercury. A nucleotide is composed of a nucleoside and what other component? A. A phosphate group. B. A hydrogen bond. C. A nitrogenous base. D. A phosphodiester bond. The correct answer is A. A phosphate group. What is the symbol for steady current in Ohm's law? A. I. B. V. C. R. D. P. The correct answer is A. I. Which component of a spherical mirror's geometry describes the line that passes through its pole and center of curvature? A. Focal plane. B. Radius of curvature. C. Principal axis. D. Optical center. The correct answer is C. Principal axis. What is the approximate percentage of methane in CNG? A. 88.5%. B. 5.5%. C. 1.8%. D. 3.7%. The correct answer is A. 88.5%. How is the length of the marked string measured after it has been used for a curved line? A. By weighing the string. B. By counting the threads in the string. C. By measuring it against a meter scale. D. By comparing it to another curved line. The correct answer is C. By measuring it against a meter scale. What is the primary function of the fibrous connective tissue that connects muscle to bone? A. To provide insulation. B. To produce red blood cells. C. To store energy. D. To withstand tension. The correct answer is D. To withstand tension. How is the pulse rate determined? A. By checking body temperature. B. By measuring blood pressure. C. By counting breaths in 1 minute. D. By counting pulse beats in 1 minute. The correct answer is D. By counting pulse beats in 1 minute. Which activity is explicitly excluded from the definition of commercial gardening? A. Production of vegetables. B. Large-scale production. C. Selling in markets. D. Growing ornamental plants. The correct answer is D. Growing ornamental plants. How is temperature measured using a thermometer? A. By measuring the light intensity. B. By measuring the contraction of a solid. C. By measuring the expansion of a liquid. D. By measuring the electrical resistance. The correct answer is C. By measuring the expansion of a liquid. How did you score?